Hey guys, are you interested in doing a rear resonator delete, or better yet, want to do a rear resonator delete in your Dodge Charger or Challenger RT? Stay tuned to this video. I got just the mod for you. Alright guys, so the one exhaust mod I always wish existed for the Dodge Chargers and Challengers was just a simple axle back system, right? So in my Pontiac G8, the system was set up perfectly for aftermarket axle backs. The system went from your cats to an X-pipe to two mid mufflers, and shortly after the mid mufflers, you had flanges on both exhaust sides. So your options were endless for axle back systems. Well, unfortunately, with the Dodge Charger systems, you only have one flange, and the other one is connected all the way up to the cats. Well, fortunately, if you are interested in doing a rear resonator delete or an axle back system, I found a couple products that will suit your needs. So I found a system that is made by Flowmaster for the Dodge Challenger RTs between the model years of 2009 and 2014, and the Dodge Chargers in the model years 2017 or to present, to the 18 model. And I will have the model numbers in both the description as well as at the end of this video with pictures. So in both systems, what you would do from an installation standpoint is you would cut your exhaust shortly after your mid mufflers. And the system consists of two exit pipes. On the Dodge Challenger, it's 2.5 inches in diameter, and in the Chargers, since they have the new active exhausts, they would be a 3-inch diameter. And what you do is you cut your exhaust shortly after the stock mufflers, slide the two exit pipes over the existing exhaust pipes, and it comes with a clamp to clamp it down. And the beauty of this system is you can use the existing hangers for your stock system. So it should be as easy as cutting your exhaust, sliding the exhaust exit pipes on, and hanging them on your hanger. And per the directions, you don't need to do any modifications with your rear valance. So it should be as simple as cutting, sliding, and hanging it on your hangers, which is pretty neat. It should be a job that you should be able to do in your own backyard. I imagine the clearance might be tight, but if you back it up on some ramps and you have the proper tools like a hacksaw or a sawzall or something that you can cut your exhaust with, you should be able to do it in your backyard, and it should be relatively simple and easy to do. So the cost on this mod is approximately $300 for the Dodge Charger with the Hemi with the 2017 or 2018 model year. I'm not 100% sure on the Challenger, but I will have the price at the back end of this video with some pictures. So I just wanted to bring this option up to you guys because it is such a heavily talked about modification that's done on our Dodge Chargers and Challengers. So if you guys have any questions about this modification, let me know. I'm glad to do research and stuff for you guys. But I wanted to bring this option up to you guys. Like, again, it's something that's so frequently done. This will save you the hassle of taking your car to a custom shop. And if you're wondering about comparisons, when I took my Charger to the shop to run 2.5-inch pipe from my mufflers to my outlets, it costs about $80 per side. Or you could probably get it done a lot cheaper through a custom exhaust shop, but chances are the exhaust shop that you take it to might not have the ability to manually bend the exhaust pipes. So the one beauty of both of these systems is that it is so nicely manually bent. So take a look at the pictures, and if you're interested, look into the system. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care.